Hi everyone, welcome to MarkTech, where we make configuration simple. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to configure Layer 2 Switchport Port Security. Now, if you're someone looking to develop your networking skills, this video is specifically designed for you. Before we get into our configuration, let us understand what is Layer 2 Switchport Security. Now, a port security is a Layer 2 feature on a network switch designed to restrict access by allowing only specific MAC addresses on a port. Now, the purpose of port security is to block unauthorized devices, preventing MAC address flooding attack, and to also protect the LAN integrity. In this topology, we will be setting up MAC address limit per port. And those limitations we're going to set will be responding to three violations: the protect violations, the restrict violations, and the shutdown violation. Specifically in this video, we want to be looking at one violation by default, which is the shutdown violation. Key benefits of configuring Switchport security is to enhance security on the Layer 2 network, to control device access, and to mitigate threats on the network. Let's jump into our configuration. I'm going to manually configure static IP on all hosts in this topology. I'm done configuring my static IP on my host devices. I'll configure Switchport security on the Layer 2 switch. Enable. Configure terminal or config T. I want to specify the range of interfaces that I'm going to configure the Switchport security is going to be applied to. I'll say interface range fast Ethernet 0/1 to 5. Switchport mode access. Switchport security does not work on a dynamic port. That port has to be an access port. So to configure an access port, the command to do that is switchport mode access after you've caught up the interface. The next command is switchport port security MAC address sticky. The next command you want to type is switchport port security maximum 1. Now, what's the purpose of this command? You're telling the switch to only learn one MAC address on a port. That is, after that MAC address is being learned, no other MAC address can be learned by that port. Now the next command is Switchport Port Security. This command is key. This command activates port security on a port. Now the next command you want to do now, you want to go out of the global configuration and you want to see port security status, the interfaces that are participating in port security. When you launch the show port security command, we have fast Ethernet 01, fast Ethernet 02, fast Ethernet 03, fast Ethernet 05 are all participating in port security. Security violations, they are all zeros. And security action are all shut down by default, as I've said. The next thing, we want to ping our neighbor host so that the switch can automatically learn the MAC addresses from host devices. To see the MAC address table of the switch, we say show MAC address table, enter. Now on our MAC address table, we have 5 MAC addresses that has been learned by this switch automatically on the port that are participating in port security. Now, how can we test that this is working? We have another PC called Hacker. We're going to take the connection from PC 1 and connect the Hacker PC and try to ping from the Hacker PC. When we do that, automatically the interface through which this Hacker PC is connected to has shut down automatically. That confirms that our configuration is working. Now let us see the port security status. It says show port security we see that we have one violation on fast Ethernet 0/1 and that interface is shut down.